A beautiful couple lived peacefully in a quiet village. Life was simple. Everything was going just fine. But suddenly, everything changed. A powerful storm hit the area. Heavy rain poured down without stopping. And within hours, the entire village was flooded. Early this morning, they woke up to a shocking reality. Water had already started entering their home. With fear and uncertainty growing, they made a life-changing decision. They could no longer stay there. So, gathering only the most essential belongings, they prepared a small boat and chose to begin a new life, living right there on the water.
Now, they begin preparing to cook. Carefully, they gather a few vegetables and some basic spices. With calm focus, they start chopping everything, piece by piece, making the most of what they have. Even in the middle of the water, they refuse to give up their daily life. Soon, they will begin cooking a simple meal, right there on their small boat. Now, the husband prepares to catch some fish. He quietly sets his line into the water, sitting patiently, waiting for the right moment. Time passes, and soon he makes his catch. With care and skill, he cleans the fish, cutting and preparing it beautifully. Nothing is wasted. Then, bringing it back to the boat, they begin cooking once again, this time with fresh fish, turning it into a warm, comforting meal. Even in the middle of the flood, they find a way to survive and keep their hope alive. Now, the wife begins cooking. She pours just the right amount of oil, adds the spices, then starts cooking a rich meat curry. Next, she takes the freshly caught fish, coats it with spices, and fries it in hot oil until it turns perfectly golden.
The husband and wife sit together, sharing their meal. In the middle of the water, they find a moment of peace, eating side by side, grateful and together. After finishing their meal, the husband and wife gently lie down together. Tired from the long day, they finally close their eyes and drift off to sleep, taking a peaceful rest on the boat.